In a new development, Edo State lawmaker Natasha and Nigerian singer Innocent Idibia, popularly known as 2Baba, are allegedly expecting their first child. NaijaNews reports that the latest development was made known by Nigerian journalist Stella Demoko Crocus in a post via Instagram on Wednesday. According to Stella, 2Baba and Natasha are in love and about to start a family. The post reads, singer Two-Face Idibia and lover Honorable Natasha Ibinedion are pregnant. Two-Face Idibia, the singer you cannot stop talking about at the moment, and Honorable Natasha Irobosa Ibinedion of the famous Ibinedion family of Benin Kingdom are in love and about to start a family. They are pregnant with their first child, and the singer confessed in a video early Tuesday, February 12, 2025 morning that he loves her and wants to marry her. Two-Face is estranged from his wife Annie and announced on January 27, 2025 that they have been separated for a while and are headed for divorce. The post concluded, meanwhile 2Baba shared a video of a man recounting how his ex-wife found a man better than him after they went their separate ways. The singer reposted the video on his Insta stories after confirming his interest in Edo lawmaker Natasha Ibinedion and his intention to tie the knot with her. We will continue to monitor this developing story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.